Meet my friend. This is Nayel.
My mouth is burning.
This is Nayel. We are out together having a meal.
It's amazing, guys. I really love Asian food. Very good. Yeah. Now it's recording.
So guys, Nayel and Charm is mealing together.
In a very nice Asian restaurant in Nice where everything looks homemade. So let's try. It's actually very good. I didn't expect this.
This is pork.
It's actually good. You should try with the salad thing, around. What is a Jamaican food? What food is Jamaican?
I can't tell you, I'll have to cook it for you. So one day I'm gonna come and cook for you some nice Jamaican food.
But what is like, what do they eat?
We eat like rice. We eat banana, you know green bananas.
Plantain, what?
Sweet potato, plantain. We eat noodles too. We eat basically everything, but our cooking is a little different, more like spicy, you know. But you're gonna love it.
I feel like in every culture they eat rice.
No, I don't think.
In every culture you will find a meal with rice. That is something.
Yes, you will find it, but it is not something that they fancy.
Really? Look, in Venezuela we have a meal with rice. In Asia too, French people too. Everywhere you will find somewhere with rice.
Yes, you will, but because I've met some Africans and they don't like rice.
Really?
They don't use it if they don't have to.
It's like what they do when they don't have time. And, yeah.
The most it goes for potato. Not potato. Cassava.
What's cassava?
You don't know cassava? I'll have to show you. And something that they call fufu. You know that one?
It's Nigerian.
Mostly all the Africans eat fufu.
And the pundu? It's the most.
I taste fufu once and I like it. I don't even have place on the table.
I don't know why it's empty like this. The food is
It's
good,
Saturday?
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe it will be more cluster in the night hours.
Yeah, it's true. We're eating late.
Hmm?
We're eating late.
Because On the weekends, you know, the people go out late at night to eat. Saturdays and Sundays. I'm eating noodles. This one is really good.
Yeah, we can see on your face we like it. You should try this. Have you tried? It's too spicy for me. It's like,
I never liked those. I purposely.
it's way too spicy.
You have company. I'm sorry.
Ça va, merci. Deux samoussas.
I want to eat this.
Today I had a very difficult discussion. When I was living in Dubai 2 years ago, in my building, I used to date someone and he was married. And today I had his wife calling me. It was a very difficult discussion because the guy just got locked up.
Laptop? No?
Locked up
So why did she call you?
because she checked his phone. She checked his phone. Her husband.
I saw your number.
Yeah, she saw my number, but she saw others' number. Like, she saw my friend's number, and my friend, she was speaking about me. So then after this woman, she called my friend, and then my friend gave her my phone number so we could explain each other. And yeah, it was a terrible discussion. The woman, she was so sad, and we feel bad for her. Like when her husband went to jail, she decided that she would check his phone. To see what they can find inside, what they can do.
Okay.
And they have 2 kids together.
Are you still watching me?
Oh,
Really? Okay. Continue watching.
very too spicy.
Allons-y, parce que je travaille aussi.
I feel like they fill it up with vegetable.
So you don't like spicy food?
No. It's not that I don't like.
When you say spicy, you mean it's peppery or
It's really spicy.
excuse me, it's pepper? I don't eat pepper.
I don't eat anything that hurts me. And spicy food hurts me. Like it hurts my tongue when I eat it.
I don't use pepper. That one is too spicy for me.
What I don't like is that when they fill it up with vegetable. They don't even put the chicken or the beef.
I just love this in this sauce.
Voilà, merci à vous.
Whenever I play with my
Bon
food, it's because I don't like
Hmm?
it. Whenever I play with my food, it's because I don't like it. When you see me, fais pas ça, on fait vanilla à l'huile. Comment? Oui, tu peux l'avoir? Oui. You're on a diet or what? You're on a diet?
Not really.
You actually enjoy eating
Mm-hmm.
vegetables?
This is one of our food.
Yeah?
Vegetable. We love a lot of vegetables. But I don't like this. Too much onions.